I had to buy these, and you guys are going to see why I had to buy these. Let me tell you guys why I bought these, who I bought these from, why I bought this pair of sneakers. This right here is a fire pair of sneakers that, who knows, we may never see release ever again. We've been getting a ton of pairs of this shoe. This, not even shoe, the brand I should say, along with 50% off here, 50% off there. But it's a bunch of models that I don't really care for. The only thing I've been buying is foam runners and slides. But right here, had to pick up a pair of 350 V2s. No, not even 350 V2s, excuse me. This box is different, actually. That's why it threw me off. The box is different. I did pick these up from Sneak City. Shout out to the females, the ladies. Shout out to the ladies over there at Sneak City. I appreciate you ladies so much. I did pay $462 for this pair. Basically same price as the apps. So let's get into it. I thought it was a 350 V2. It's not a 350 V2. It does come in the 350 V2 box, however, for the new pair, but the older release, the OG, does not. This is a size 11, my size. However, these are not going to me. This is not going to me. These are going to my brother-in-law for his 18th birthday. He just graduated high school a few weeks ago. So shout out to you, Dom. These are for you, for your 18th birthday, brother. I had to buy them. Had to get you right with a pair of the OG. The original right here, Turtle Doves. This is the 2022 release, but it's still the same damn shoe. The Turtle Dove 350 V2s. Dead stock, size 11, right here, brand new. We don't know if we'll ever see this shoe again. We don't know. We don't know if we're going to see, maybe they still have some pairs, but if they do, it's not going to be a lot. So I didn't really mind paying the resale. It is what it is. At the end of the day, this was at one point touching like $2,000. So the fact to get it now for 450 bucks, I mean, I'm not complaining. So there's the sticker. I did just peel it off right there. There it is from Sneak City. They had it at 450. So here they are. The Turtle Dove 350 V2s. Shout out to Sneak City. Thank you, ladies. I appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Everything looks good. No complaints. So yeah, you guys can check out Sneak City. They came extremely fast. That was quick, and yeah, shoes are in perfect condition. So, no complaints at all. Shout out to the ladies over at Sneak City. I appreciate you so much. And Tia really knows what she's doing. She's been in the game for a long time. So, Subfed was her original Instagram. I've been following that Instagram for at least a decade. So, absolutely crazy to see how much they've, blown up, had a ton of success. It's definitely wild. So, yeah, these right here are absolutely fire. A must-have. They really are. I do have them. I beat them up. They're so worn. Where are they? They are actually right there. Let me get them real quick, and I'm going to show you guys. Here they are. Here is the 2015 pair. This is the original. This is the 2022. Some differences is there's padding, extra padding going on, as well as some color differences, but that could be because of this pair being old and worn. I have really put miles on these, a lot. I've worn these a crap ton. To me, personal opinion, this right here, by hands down, hands far, by far, 100%. I'm so speechless, I can't even get my words together. Guys, these right here, if you ask me, are the best Adidas Yeezy ever. Done. The Turtle Dove. No question asked. This right here is the best Adidas Yeezy, in my humble opinion. Let me know what you guys think is the best. I know a lot of you guys are probably going to say the Wave Runners. Some of you guys may say the Zebras, maybe the Breads, maybe some other Yeezy. But for me, the Turtle Dove is where it's at. All right, this right here to me is the best. Don't forget about the 750 highs. Those are amazing too. But for me personally, the Turtle Dove is the best. And I did pick these up for retail when they dropped. I hit on the original Confirmed app. If you know about the original Confirmed app, drop a comment. Let me know that you know about that app and you had it on your phone at the time. They did change the app a lot. So yeah, 2015 Turtle Doves right here. Picked these up for retail. I was in Manhattan, went to the Manhattan and to the city and picked them up and everything myself from the Adidas store. And right here, we have the 2022 pair. Absolutely crazy. Brand new, dead stock. Once again, not going to me. They are all going to my brother-in-law for his 18th birthday. He did graduate high school. Shout out to anybody that graduated high school. Congratulations to everybody. And yes, right here, the Turtle Dove 350 V2. Brand new, dead stock. Beautiful. The best. The best. The best, in my humble opinion. These right here are the best 350 V2s. I'm sorry, 350 V2s. The best 350s ever. The best Adidas Yeezy ever. And better than the 350 V2 is what I meant to say. To me, this sole shoe right here, this single-handedly shoe, to me, is better than any other 350 V2, any 350, any other Yeezy, Adidas Yeezy, that is. Nike Yeezy, Yeezy 2. This doesn't touch the Yeezy 2, but to me, Adidas Yeezy, yeah. So, here's what I'm thinking about doing. I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about getting another personal because it's the best one, and we don't know. It looks like they're done. Who knows? You know, we might get some more, but I don't know if we're going to get this shoe in particular anymore, and I do want a clean dead stock pair for the personal collection because I do have my worn pair that I'm going to continue to wear and put miles on, but I also would like a dead stock pair thinking about it. I would. Yeah, it's definitely a fire pair. I love the Turtle Doves. I've had this shoe so many damn times, other pairs, but I wound up just keeping, of course, at the end of the day, my personal, and now I'm going to give a pair to my brother-in-law, Dom. So yeah, for his 18th birthday. These are absolutely crazy. The best Adidas Yeezys to me, in my humble opinion. The Prime Knit upper, so soft, so nice. If you guys don't know about the Turtle Doves, go look up some info, go look at, you know, other videos, watch previous history, and, you know, 2015 was a time. It was a time to be in shoes. What a time to be in shoes in 2015 from Yeezy. Jordan Brand was down, Nike was down, but but Yeezy was really on the come up like crazy in 2015, 16, 17. So, yeah, definitely a fire shoe. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about the Turtle Dove Yeezy 350 V2s. What is your favorite Yeezy from Adidas? This could be it. We could get more. I think we'll wind up getting some more, in my opinion. I think we'll get some more. But I'm not expecting too much more. And at the end of the day, who knows what's going to happen with Kanye, right? So, it is what it is. At one point, I thought about making my channel a Yeezy channel. This is years ago. I thought about making my channel a Yeezy channel, and I'm just happy I did not. Because look what happens. You know, you don't want to dedicate to just one brand. It's so tough, you know, doing that. So, especially Kanye. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think about the Adidas Yeezy Turtle Doves down below in the comments. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button for me. If you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Trying to hit 100,000 subscribers this year, so if you guys could subscribe, that would definitely help and mean a lot to me. So please take a second to subscribe. Hit that like button. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think about the Turtle Doves. Are these the best Yeezys to ever release? In my opinion, yeah, Adidas Yeezy, yes. Let me know what you guys think about them. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Shout out to Sneak City. All good to go. Check them out if you guys are looking for any heat. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never going to stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.